Welcome back to another episode of Tech Talk. I've really been wondering, why is the DJI Mic Mini making a lot of buzz online lately? What is really so special about this mic? I think I have the answer. So the DJI Mic Mini has a really pristine sound output, and it has stood the test of time. There are other mics like the DJI Mic 2, the DJI Mic 3, and a lot of other mics that comes up once in a while, and it seems like most of the previous mic just go into extinction, but not the DJI Mic Mini. It has stood the test of time, and it is simply amazing. I think I'm saying a lot of words. Let's try this mic out. The sound you're listening to is the sound of the DJI Mic Mini, and this sounds really pristine to me. This is a clean and a clear audio output. I don't know about you. And there really isn't anything mini about this mic, even though it has mini in the name, and it records 24 bits and 48 kilohertz, which is pretty much the basic thing you need for audio right now. But then, wait a minute. If the Nikon ZR shoots 32-bit flutes internally, and I connect this microphone to it, I would be having a 32-bit flute sound output, right? Technology, yeah. So this mic is really amazing. So if you're a content creator just starting out and you're looking to find a microphone for your content creation, I'm recommending the DJI Mic Mini for you. It's going to serve you. And like I said, it has stood the test of time. I mean, listen to the sound. It's amazing. That's it for Tech Talk today. Till I come your way again. Adios.